According to the latest news, a few days ago, the HarmonyOS 4 system ushered in a new version of the update. It is reported that the model pushed this time is the Huawei Pura 70 series, as the model with the highest version of HarmonyOS 4.2. The Pura 70 series still maintains a relatively high update frequency, and the overall experience is also quite mature, according to the latest news from user feedback. The latest version pushed by Pura 70 this time is HarmonyOS 4.2.0.215, and in the past week, the new version has been pushed one after another. But there are still some users who have not received the update, and it is recommended to go to the system settings as soon as possible to query the software update to obtain the new version of the upgrade, judging from the information from user feedback. This time, HarmonyOS 4.2.0.215 is still a supplementary package upgrade. The size of the entire update package is about 300 megabytes, mainly incorporating reading security supplementation, improving system security, and enhancing the stability of the system. For example, the Pura 70 series already has the adaptation of HarmonyOS 5.1, and also matches the upgrade qualifications of the HarmonyOS 6 development version, so the update of 4.2 will also slow down, and from the feedback of upgraded users, this update is mainly improved in terms of sound quality, and no obvious upgrades have been found in other aspects. Welcome to Supplement Feedback.